I want to show you this easy, low-effort Pavlova recipe. It's a light and delicious dessert that is guaranteed to impress anyone, and it seems difficult to make, but it's actually so simple with a secret ingredient: meringue powder mix. I'm using Judy's meringue powder, which is made from dried egg whites. Traditionally, meringue is made with fresh egg whites, which can be fickle to work with, so this powder makes the recipe foolproof. We'll use 1 cup of meringue powder and rehydrate that with half a cup of water. There's already sugar in the meringue mix, so you don't have to measure out any more. We'll mix this on high speed for 9 to 12 minutes until you get stiff peaks. Right now, I'm checking for stiff peaks, but you can see it's still a floppy, soft peak, and it folds over on itself, so we'll need to whisk it for another minute or two. Here, I'll show you what a stiff peak looks like. You can see no matter how hard I try to jiggle it, the tip of the peak on this meringue does not move, so it's ready. We're going to spread this meringue out on a piece of parchment paper in a circle or oval, and then it will be ready to bake in the oven. It's a low and slow bake, so we'll leave it in for 90 minutes at 250 degrees, and when the timer goes off, we'll turn off the oven, but leave the meringue in there to rest for at least an hour. You don't want a sudden change in the temperature, which would make your pavlova crack on the surface. After resting, once it's ready to take out, you'll see a pavlova shell that is crisp on the outside, and later you'll see the texture inside is still light and marshmallowy. Now I'm going to make the whipped cream topping, which is just 2 cups of whipping cream and 2 tablespoons of sugar. This sweetness level is my preference, but you can also experiment with more sugar when you taste it, and some people add in vanilla bean paste or extract too. I'm just keeping it simple. You can also make the whipped cream ahead of time and keep it in the fridge until you're ready to assemble the pavlova before you serve it. Once you're ready to assemble it, all you need to do is spread the whipped cream over the meringue and dress it up with delicious fresh fruit. If you have any cracks in that meringue, just cover it up with the whipped cream. And for fruits, I use strawberry, blueberry, mango, blackberry, julienne grapefruit, and kumquat rinds that I sliced up. You can throw anything on it and it will look beautiful. I usually love to put golden kiwi and dragon fruit to give it even more color. Trust me, pavlova is so delicious and you'll want to make this over and over. It's also a stunning centerpiece on the table and looks way harder to make than it actually was. So go ahead and try out the meringue powder mix. I'll put a link in the description below so you can get it on Amazon, and anything that you purchase from that link will support my videos. I plan to share a lot more easy recipes like this one. Thanks for watching.